Hi everybody, welcome back to SJ Lifestyle. So today we are going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun box that just arrived yesterday. I have not opened this big box of goodiness. So let's get on with it without further delaying the goodies. Opened. Okay, I have to see it. Okay. So the first things first, the box is gorgeous. It has like the Fabfitfun logo. I don't know if you guys can see. And this is what it looks like when you open it for the first time ever. And you guys can see. Okay. We've got a magazine covered with a gorgeous lady. I'm guessing this is Gabby Douglas. She's going to be talking about staying home but staying connected. So this would be interesting. In this itself, it gives you options to give friends and family a free starter box, which is so considerate of Fabfitfun to do something like that. I know, like, yes, it's kind of a promotion thing if people are, you know, getting to know about this box a little bit more, but then to be able to give a free box to your friend or family is super cool, because you're able to experience it together, the excitement of getting stuff, right? So that's really thoughtful. I love that about it. So I'm just going through the magazine, and I'm guessing it's kind of describing some of the products and like the uses, and like you can see like these are the things that like we were able to kind of have a choice of when I was able to decide some of the items. So I think I only started with being able to choose 3 items. I didn't pick like all of my items, so I don't know exactly what I got. I know the 3, but then I don't know what the others would be. So that's why it's as exciting to open it here. Yeah, so kind of, this is so cool. Like they actually have like all the products that like they kind of showcased in the like videos, or like people opening the boxes and all. And then next we have here the #1 meal kit for eating well. It's a company called Green Chef, which is a $90, you get $90 off plus free shipping. Okay, the food itself on like the card is so enticing and looks so yummy and healthy. I mean, I'm kind of healthy, but not like super healthy, but I try, right? And I wonder if this is actually like a company based off of Canada. I've never really heard about this company before, but I'm excited to kind of know more. Next, we've got Bright Cellars. Discover wine you love. And this is a $50 credit for Bright Cellars. Okay, like just the fact that they're able to provide something like this on top of like the different products, it's so cool, because it's like worth way more than what I actually purchased. So thank you, Fabfitfun. And then on to the products. Okay, they've got like the sticker, which I kind of don't want to ruin, but then it's happening. Oh well. Okay, you ready? I'm so excited. Like already as it is. Okay, so this one I actually picked out, which is like super cool. This is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream Condition and Restore. The little bags. So this one contains milk proteins and jojoba and avocado oils. It's for hydration, which I really need. So hopefully this would be like a perfect product for the summer. I'm just gonna open this. I love the color. I think I would just use it just for the color, but this is the product. Okay, I think I should just open the cap before I try to smell it. Oh, it smells really good. So that was the first product. Okay, let me just put this away. So I've been seeing videos and it said that like it comes with like the different prices. Let me just see if I can find it maybe in the magazine itself, because it was talking about most of the stuff. Okay, so we have a price in like the magazine itself. Okay, so this one is for $65. Damn. It's what, 50 ml, so it's pretty decent size, and it is $65. That's like maybe exactly what I paid for the box itself. So that's just one of the several different items. The next one we have is a brand called Spinelli. Spinelli, I don't know if I'm saying this right. And it is a hand cream and in coconut verbena. It's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. And that's that. And it's actually like, what, 57 grams. We'll try the hand cream. Especially these days when you're using a lot of like when you're having to kind of wash your hands regularly and like use hand sanitizer and whatnot, it's best to actually carry like a hand cream around just because it dries out fast. Oh, this smells so good. It has like a sweetness smell, but like the coconut's pretty obvious too. Smells good. I like. Now this one is $18. Okay, moving on. I love the packaging, but I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, it's eyebrow pencil. I don't really do my eyebrows too much, but I'm guessing this, maybe we can try, I don't know. So any products that I actually might not use, I'm thinking to do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. This might be in it, I don't know. Let's see the price on this one. This one is for $16. The next one we have is Hydropeptide, and it's a moisture reset phytonutrient facial oil. It helps for anti-wrinkle and it helps to restore your skin. Contains flower extracts, avocado and pumpkin oils, and rice bran extract. I can open to see the packaging. I hate it when you can't like really open. It's too hard to open. And it's going everywhere. Okay, so this is the product. This is the oils. Moving on, we've got Satin Pillow Sleeve. Satin Pillow Sleeve is designed to help you retain moisture in your skin and hair so you wake up looking and feeling refreshed. I'm not a picky person when it comes to like what pillowcase should I be using. Just, you know, change your pillowcase regularly. That should be enough. but there's that. Now the pillowcase goes for $29.50. Next, it's a cute straw bag. Is that what you call these things? Yeah, it's a straw bag with a floral scarf. This, I'm excited for that. If you look at my closet, you'll see that I have like a bajillion handbags, and I still go for more. But this is so cute. It'd be like a cool picnic bag even, you know? Or a day like at the beach. Cute. This is so sweet. Nice. I like. And this one goes for $75. That's pretty cool. Next one we've got is a makeup sponge from Makeup Drop. It's a hybrid silicone pad blending sponge. Oh, that's interesting. This, the flat side of the sponge is actually silicone, and everything else is like that material, whatever that is. Like a blending sponge. The last one we have here in the box would be Isaac Mizrahi Loves ceramic decorative vase. This is gorgeous. It would go well with the whole theme of my house. If I can open it. The vase goes for $28. Pretty cool. I don't know exactly what would fit in here because the hole is just so tiny. Maybe like 2 roses. I don't know. Or just the vase. It's so dusty. So like the top is kind of glazed, and then the bottom is a little bit more just simple and matte finish. But that's the vase. So cute, isn't it? So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing of Fabfitfun. I definitely love all the products. Okay, maybe I might not be a fan for the pillowcase, but everything else I am super satisfied. And I want to share this with you guys. So if you like a specific product, comment down below, and you know what? That may just be in the giveaway. All right, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you stay updated on all my videos and more unboxing videos to come. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. It goes with my outfit.